Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to cook a delicious omelet with spinach. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 to 3 large, fresh eggs, about 1 cup of fresh spinach, 1 tablespoon of butter, and a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Make sure you have a good non-stick pan, a spatula, and a small bowl ready. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a perfect breakfast or brunch. Now, let's get our main components ready. Start by thoroughly washing your 1 cup of fresh spinach and then roughly chopping it. This helps it cook down evenly in the omelet. Next, crack your 2 to 3 large eggs into a small bowl. Whisk them vigorously with a fork or a small whisk until the yolks and whites are completely combined and slightly frothy. Don't forget to season your whisked eggs with a pinch of salt and pepper for flavor. It's time to cook. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter in your non-stick pan over medium heat until it's shimmering. Pour the whisked eggs into the hot pan, tilting it gently to ensure the bottom is evenly coated. As the edges begin to set, use your spatula to gently push the cooked egg towards the center, allowing the uncooked egg to flow underneath. Once the omelet is mostly set but still a little moist on top, sprinkle your chopped spinach over 1/2. Almost done. Once the omelet is mostly set but still slightly moist on top, carefully use your spatula to fold the spinach-covered half over the other half. Let it cook for another 30 seconds to 1 minute, or until the spinach is beautifully wilted and the omelet is cooked to your desired firmness. Finally, gently slide your perfectly cooked spinach omelet onto a plate. Serve it immediately and enjoy this simple, yet incredibly satisfying, meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.